What if Jinwoo had to fix a jammed office printer? Jinwoo smirks. Paper jam. Brave of you to challenge me. His co-worker suggests, maybe try turning it off. Jinwoo commands, shadows attack, as paper flies everywhere. The printer beeps in fear, sensing its doom. Jinwoo declares, you have two options, print or perish. Miraculously, the printer starts to print. Jinwoo smirks. Even office supplies fear the shadow monarch. The only paper I accept. Victory.